Meaning of indolence.
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 Indolence. Indolence refers to the state of being lazy or inactive, and lacking in motivation or enthusiasm. People who exhibit indolence often take a passive approach to life, avoiding work or other responsibilities and failing to pursue personal goals or interests. This can result in a lack of achievement, diminished self-esteem, and a sense of dissatisfaction with one's life. Over time, chronic indolence can lead to negative physical and mental health outcomes, including decreased fitness, increased risk of chronic disease, and depression or anxiety. It is important for individuals to actively combat indolence in order to lead fulfilling, productive lives.